Welcome to our guide on mindfulness meditation. In today's world, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Our minds are constantly racing, filled with thoughts about the past and worries about the future. But mindfulness offers a path to peace, a way to step off the treadmill of our thoughts and find stillness within. Today, we'll explore 4 simple yet powerful mindfulness techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. These practices will help you tune into the present moment, cultivate a sense of calm, and reconnect with yourself. Close your eyes and let's begin with the body scan meditation. This technique brings awareness to the sensations within your body, helping you release tension and feel more grounded. Start by finding a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting with your spine straight. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Now bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations, warmth, tingling, pressure, or even just the feeling of your toes resting. Slowly move your attention up through your feet, ankles, calves, and shins. As you move your awareness, imagine your breath flowing into each part of your body, bringing relaxation and peace. Continue this practice, moving your attention up through your legs, your hips, your stomach, and your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath as you focus on each area. Our breath is a powerful tool for finding calm and presence. It's always with us, a constant rhythm that anchors us to the present moment. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand like a balloon. Hold the breath for a moment, noticing the fullness, and then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth, feeling your body soften. Continue breathing deeply, focusing solely on the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, and it will, that's okay. Simply acknowledge the thought without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Mindfulness isn't confined to sitting on a cushion. It can be practiced anytime, anywhere, even while walking. Find a quiet place where you can walk for a few minutes without distractions. As you begin walking, pay attention to the feeling of your feet making contact with the ground. Notice the shifting of your weight, the lift of your leg, the gentle swing of your arms. Engage all your senses. Feel the air on your skin, the sun's warmth, or the coolness of the breeze. Hear the sounds around you, the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the distant traffic. As you walk, resist the urge to rush or get lost in thought. Instead, try to embody the spirit of a mountain strong, grounded, and present with each step. In our fast-paced world, meals often become another task to check off our to-do list. But mindful eating offers a way to transform this everyday act into a mindful experience. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and choose a meal to savor. Before you take your first bite, pause. Look at the food in front of you. Notice the colors, the textures, the aromas. Take a moment to appreciate the journey this food has taken to arrive on your plate. Now take a small bite and begin to chew slowly and deliberately. Pay attention to the flavors that dance on your tongue, the textures playing in your mouth. As you chew, put your fork down. Resist the urge to pick up the next bite. Instead, stay fully present with this one mouthful. Thank you for joining us on this mindfulness journey. Remember, these techniques are not a one-time fix, but a practice. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Be kind to yourself, and celebrate your commitment to cultivating greater peace and presence. The more you practice, the more naturally mindfulness will become a part of your life. You'll find yourself moving through your days with greater ease, awareness, and joy. Remember, you have the power to find moments of stillness and clarity amidst the busyness of life. Stay present and stay calm.